Good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be another weekly vlog, of course. I just got up and out of bed. I think I'm going to make myself a little bit of breakfast right now, and then I'm going to probably wash my face, brush my teeth like a champ, and just do a little bit of makeup maybe, and then just get ready for school. So let's go make some breakfast and then I will show you guys all the fun stuff I get up to this week. Just gonna use my George Foreman as my toaster. And just put this in here. Bam. I just put a little peanut butter on some toast and then topped it with some bananas. And that is breakfast. Now that my face is all clean, I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. I feel like I've done my makeup in literally every video lately, so I'm not gonna show you guys like the detailed version. I think I'm gonna just speed it up. So if you want to see me actually do my makeup, go check out those videos. They'll be linked down below. So let's do some makeup. Look okay. I feel like I look really bad right now. Okay, this is the makeup look. When I do my makeup for school, I try and do it very light and just like I really don't care that much, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna throw on this little lip liner. The label and the shade like came off. I think it's by Hourglass in the shade Eden. I'm almost 99% sure. It'll be linked down below. Okay. Also, for everyone commenting that I have lip fillers, I'm literally 18 years old, guys. I don't have any surgery. I literally have done nothing. This is just my face. So please stop commenting that I have lip fillers, because I don't. I would tell you guys if I did. And I also don't have Botox. Like, what? I usually wouldn't say anything and I would just ignore it, but I've been seeing like people reply to people's comments. Like if someone says, oh, you have really nice lips, they'll comment and be like, those aren't her lips, they're lip fillers. And I'm like, what? So I just wanted to clear that up. No lip fillers, no Botox, no work done on my face. This is my face. So yeah. Anyways, this is my makeup. I think I'm gonna just be chilling in my room until I have to go to class, so I'll just talk to you guys then. Wow, my hair is going crazy right now. I don't think I'm gonna vlog in class just because I'm definitely not allowed. And also it's just a critique going on, so that's not really interesting. It's a photography class. But after class, I think I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat with some of my friends, and then I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm going home this weekend, so I have to pack for that. Also, if you don't know, I live in LA and I'm at school at Indiana University. Just to like clarify if you're new to this channel, I don't know. But yeah, I have to pack and just get organized, and hopefully this vlog will inspire me to do that because I'm very lazy. So yeah, I will talk to you guys after my class. Update, I'm at dinner with Soph and Blake. It's the first time I've seen Blake in like a week. Okay, I just got a cucumber and avocado roll and then 2 orders of salmon sushi. This looks so good.
What are you saying? Really fast when I got here.
Hi guys, so it is obviously the next day. I leave for LA in either 1 or 2 days. I think I leave tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I have actually no clue when I leave. I want to start packing today because my friends and I are going out the night before I leave, just because I'm leaving and I'm gonna miss them. I know it's only a weekend, but it's still, I just want to like enjoy my time with them. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this packing part of the vlog. I hope you're enjoying this vlog in general. So let's start packing. Okay, so I tried packing really light. These are all my outfits. I just laid them out. So this would be my Friday, Saturday, and then I would wear like those shorts with this little cardigan for Sunday and then just be done. Then I just brought this little dressing case. I end up going out with my friends at night. I also have stuff that I need to bring back home and exchange for like colder clothes. So that's going to take up a lot of my bag when I come back. So I'm just trying to pack really light. Okay, I'm going to try all these on and then of course I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is the first outfit. This little sweater, and it's from Urban Outfitters. It's so perfect for fall and just like buttoned up. I love this. Then under is just this little black bodysuit from either, I know I have one from Aritzia and then Victoria's Secret Sport. I don't know which one this is because they look so similar, but it's from either of those two places. And then these are the jeans that I was talking about. They're from Urban Outfitters. Like, how amazing are these? I'm actually obsessed with them. Okay, first outfit, done. I just tried this shirt on with it and I feel like I like it a little better. What do you guys think? This shirt or the bodysuit? Comment down below. I need help. Okay, this is the second outfit. I'm obsessed with this sweater. I just love the sleeves. Like, how cute is that? Also, I've never had a camo sweater, so I feel like it's kind of fun. So this is from Madewell, and then these are just little vintage Levi's shorts. So this is just another little extra outfit I'm gonna bring. The sweater is from Madewell. I've been obsessed with Madewell. They have really good stuff lately, so you guys should totally go check that out. But then this little shirt is from Brandy, and then these shorts are again from Levi's. I think this is all I'm going to bring, just because I feel like I also have clothes at home in case I want to wear any of that stuff. So packing is done. I'm also going to just bring a little sweatshirt and then my little Air Force Ones because I feel like they go with every outfit. And then these little black boots for when I go out to dinners, and these are from Princess Polly, I think. So I just packed all my outfits. All I have left are like toiletries and underwear and all that stuff. Then for this side, I'm gonna try and bring home as many clothes as I can fit in here to just like swap with other clothes from home, if that makes sense. Also, I'm making a separate vlog for when I'm in LA, so you guys will see all these outfits on and what I get up to next week. So make sure to check out that vlog. But yeah, so I'm gonna just finish up packing everything, and yeah. So for you sad that I'm leaving?
I'm so sad. Don't talk about it.
You can come with me.
I'm gonna fly with you, please.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to LA.
Hi guys, I just woke up. It is 4:55 in the morning. I'm off to the airport. So is Blake. I'm so excited to go home. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog off here, and then I'm gonna make another one when I'm in LA. So you guys will see all of that, and yeah. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Wait.